I'm Leo Weiss, VP of Marketing for Celeno, and we'll run through a short trip here and a tour throughout our testing apartment. As you can see here, this is our turntable. This is point T0. This is where our access point is typically located. And basically we built this apartment purposely for Wi-Fi testing. The reason for that being is that obviously 99% of the real homes are covered entirely by our Wi-Fi system, so we had to create a difficult part that in a rather short area we can demonstrate the strengths of the beamforming technology. You can see we have here purpose-built brick walls which complete a very intensive rich multipath environment with multiple rooms. Typically each one of those rooms represent a different distance from the access point. We'll now go on a tour throughout this apartment. So this is point number T1. This is the closest point to the access point location. And we're now moving into a location T2. Over here what you can see is a set of computers and so on, some testing equipment that basically controls our turntable. And now we'll move through the bulk of the apartment, which basically represent a growing number of walls, rooms, and so on and so on. The unique thing about this apartment is that there is a true corridor or basically a clear line of sight between the rooms, which of course make the multipath phenomena much more intensive. Over here it's point number T3, and we're now going to start to move as in a maze between the various rooms. This is location T4. Let's see the thickness of the wall here. As you see, we're looking at about 12 centimeters brick walls, or 5-inch brick walls. They are unpainted, so that means that the propagation of the wave is even more difficult. And you can see the fact that there is no true line of sight, completely as a maze. This is point number T5, and now moving into room number T7. Okay, we're now getting into the last part of the apartment. You see here point number T9, T8, which is the most difficult point in the apartment, quite far away with a lot of walls between us and the AP. And we're now getting into the last room, room T6. A few more walls here, and this is room T6 right here. This basically provides a complete tour of the apartment. I hope you enjoyed the show.